Now first we will cover theory little bit, and then we will do a practical as well. Okay. Now I am clear. I need to do everything by my own. I will not request you guys. Hey, you need to do this. So you guys are so busy. You don't have a time. Okay. So let me show you one thing. There is a, you can say, we have a one thing available with us. Checklist. So basically, right now is database is a crucial thing in any application. Am I right? If you need to maintain the, you can say, consistency or want to report, if you are making an application, then the data should be there and it should be stored in somewhere, which you can later on you can use that. Am I right? So till now, what we learn, we will storing everything in a memory only. We are not storing anything in our database. Okay. And as you know, your database and your this C# language is a totally different. Okay, there is no relationship between this database and this. So let's say you are writing this code, this C# code in .NET Core. You know, means how you can instruct these things. But SQL means structured query language are totally different. Okay. So what is the solution there? So for that, this framework or lot of framework like earlier, I think so. Wednesday, I am teaching the Django framework to the student, and in there as well, we have a ORM. Okay. So ORM is nothing; it's a object relationship mapping. Okay, object relationship mapping. So what it means? Means you will write your code in a C#, whatever you did done earlier, with a some you can say things, and under the hood it means coordinate with your database and do the things like it will create a table, make a you can say delete a table, CRUD operation, it will do the CRUD operation, and also it will you can say do the filtering as well. But it doesn't mean you don't need to know the database. You require the knowledge also. You understand my point? Like if we talk about database, then you guys need to understand what is primary key, what is you can this country foreign key, and what is your this joins are there, and what are the clauses are there, what are the you can say this relationships are there, and how many type relationships should be there. So you need to know that. Okay, so that means because we need to cover everything in a means timely manner. So right now this is a short way. So EF database work using C# classes. This is a entity framework. For an entity is a class which will map against a table in your database, and DbContext bridge between application and this. So it is a context which will is a you can say bridge between your database and your application. So DbSet. So means this is your entity classes are written in C# and DbSet means we are saying hey this is a table. For database it's a table. The help of table set we are doing that. Okay, and migration because everything related to database, we are handling through C# only. So if you change something in your model or entity, then it need to be reflected in your database. And same time, you will you will take care of the history of the databases as well. Why will change that and when it's happened. So let's say right when you started your application, then you have only user detail with a name, email and password, and let's say phone number. Now in this table you require another field as well. Let's say type, user type should be there. So that with the help of single table you can handle all type of user with the help of this. So if you just make change in this your change in your this entity side in a code side only, but there is no provision in your database to handle that. So it will means your database is not aware of this change. To do that, we require a migration. Okay, and update database means whatever we are changing there, we need to update that. So we will see this in action as well. Any question or concern, guys, till now?
No.
No.
Okay. Okay, now we will create these entities. Some entities are already there, but we will create these entities, and I am assuming you already know. And connection string we require DbContext registry and program there. Migration is required because we are changing this, and if we not do a migration, there is no change in our database by a framework. To tell them, hey, we will do some changes, you need to do that. Okay. Mm, is this fine? Theory is fine with you guys? This much theory fine with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's run our project. Table view. Let's run this file here. Guys, you know about SQL or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know. Could you explain me a little bit more? What is SQL, if you don't mind?
It's a structured query language where we can create a database, update, delete, we do the queries, and we connected it to the through the connection string to our Visual Studio project. We also use a store procedure in SQL to update tables and
There
Basically, we
is
store the data in a structured manner with
mm,
the help of tables.
mm,
okay.
And we can access those tables inside our application or code with the help of FPs. And also, we can add functions also.
yes.
Okay, and there is a terms called, you can say this, uh, DML, DDL. What are those?
The DML is data manipulation language, DDL is data.
Mm.
It
data manipulation
I
language.
think data under DML, I guess we only update and we can only update and insert data. Those like of statements we can some comes under the DML. Then DBL is there, DML is there, and one more
Yes,
is
in
there.
DLL we have the create, alter, drop.
Alter drop here.
Truncate is also in DLL.
Okay. What is the purpose of this? What are the clause in SQL? And why
Having
will you use this
where
clause?
having and where.
Hmm.
Basically, we need to define the condition on what basis we have to retrieve that data.
Where?
Okay. Okay. So you know these. So this is a we will work on this file for our practical. Right now, models complaint. So now earlier whatever model we have a simple models without this annotation and anything. Am I right? But here you are able to see this is a key, means it will represent as a key. It's a required, means these values are required in a database. If you know the database or SQL, we have this kind of concept. There we will also need to tell the data type and what is the constraint there. You can keep it null or not null. Am I right? So same thing we are doing here. And what is the string length? Like there is a char, var char and length we also define there. Okay. The same thing we are doing here. And after doing this, we are keeping some of the things as it. We are not doing this. And this is a, you can say, kind of a relationship. Means, hey, this table have a, this complaint have a commands, attachment, and status history. Make sense, guys?
These all are eye collection. Why we use that for? They are the another models we are using for that complaint comments.
Definitely, because those are a table, different tables.
Different tables.
Okay. If those are different tables, that should be, you can say, have their own definition. But to means all these entities should be related with each other. Am I right? So that's why it's mentioned. It's a part of this only. So here you are able to see this in the class become a database table, complaint table, this complaint ID, primary, property, complaint ID column, title column. So now we need to this complaint command, right? Model we need to create. Okay. And after creating this means like complaint, water leakage, and these are the commands. Command one, command two. It can be a one-to-many relationship. Okay. And attachment should be there. So we are creating a one table for that only. Okay. And this is a, you can say for that we require a reference of our this as a complaint ID. So this is a way to define your foreign key. Okay. Guys.
Yes.
So for that we have a complaint status history, because means there is a lot of you can say terms available in our database. With the help of that, you can handle the thing. Okay. So for that, you have these, you can say term and condition, or like atomicity is there. Acid concept is there. Am I right? You know acid concept? No?
No, I don't know.
Okay. And there is a data normalization forms are there, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Where what we will do, if we are one column is containing multiple value, we can create a different table there. So third degree, I think, so their degrees are there. Degree 1, degree 2, degree 3. And last, we need to update everything in our this. So it will create our required thing in our database. Okay.
Okay.
Should we start?
Yes.
Any question or concern regarding the understanding or this?
No, not now.
Why I come up with this so that I can do in front of you. Yesterday in class we will free early. Am I right? Because I come up with is I done all this thing already. So that's why means today I will come up with this mindset. We will do this thing together. Okay, guys.
Yes.
So let's do this. And for each and every class, I am planning, we will create a new branch and do the things from there only. Okay.
Okay.
So it should be, there is no, you can say combination there, or there is no, for that. First, we have 4 packages. First, we need to add these packages. It's already there because we used entity earlier. We used identity, so it's already there. But for this branch, I'm not sure it's there or not. Let's add things. Okay. So this is done. It is also using on the topic already. Create file. Let's create these files. Let's replace this. And let's do that. Okay. Let's run this project. So you build that's why I run this so that we can, if there is error, we can get that. Then I go those classes are not there. That's also complaint. It sounds store this. Do you understand? What was the error? Shraddha, Madhuri did great job yesterday. She helped me to fix one issue.
Okay.
That was my technical issue. Spelling mistake was there.
But we are not, yes, we're not able to figure out that you teach me something new, how to check that view part. Guys, I think so. Meanwhile, we can discuss how you are preparing for your interview and how you are approaching to companies. What's your strategy? I discussed same thing with Madhuri, but I'm not get a satisfactory answer from Madhuri.
Actually, I'm not trying. Like that's why.
If I'm not
The
wrong,
problem is like I'm not trying.
Madhuri, sorry to interrupt you, but as per my understanding, you have a limited time with you,
Yes.
and you are saying you are not trying. So I am unable to digest. There is a contradict in between these two options. Am I right? So that's why I'm not use this. Okay. Okay, if identity not used, if identity is already used, then use this. So you can check that identity used or not. Yes. Identity not there. Okay. So if there, if identity is already used, so we need to just check this. Okay, different we are using this. I think it's better if we do use this one. What do you think, guys? Because we are using this for
Core.
okay. Let me ask you one question. I am serious about that. Okay, don't be. I'm not joking, and I'm not. Let's say if someone say, "Hey, guys, you need to deliver." You can say whatever on a 5 topics within a 5 days. You need to deliver training on a 5 different topics, which you already done, maybe little bit or completely. What's your response there?
Yes, we can do that.
You can do that. Are you sure?
5 different topic within 5 days, right? We have 5 days of
Totally
preparation.
different. It's a totally different. Like one is Java, one is you can say PHP, another one is your this.
We can study with the basic concepts and rough, brief, what you can say. Not going to be deeper, but at least what it is exactly, how it is working, and everything. We can,
Yes.
with the help of
And
PPT, we can perform that.
when someone say, hey, you need to give a training to professional, then
Is it professional?
yes.
Still, we can give it a try, because if they are learning for that particular, let's consider they are also there to learn PHP. So they also 100% they don't have that much of idea. That's why they are learning. So we will also learn, and we will try to deliver. While delivering, we might face issues, but in that scenario, we will also able to learn that.
Mhm. Okay. Just keep your ideas with you. Okay.
Okay.
After this class, if time allows, we will discuss same thing.
Okay.
Save all. Yes. Close this. We have anything blindly run the previous. For these means this is what's your plan after this course, guys?
After
This
this course,
course. After
before starting
completing,
this course, also the target was same. At this
Mm.
moment, also the target we are having the same, and after this also the same target we are having.
what it means, what advantage you will get from this course, and
For
there
me,
should be
I
something.
yes, for
We
me
get
with this,
confidence at least. If we pursue with confidence, and we get a little bit awareness of every topic. Like we can explain what is entity framework, and earlier that much of knowledge we don't have. So right now,
Okay. Add is DbContext application, DbContext default connection. Okay, make sure DbContext version from the core entity registry. Okay, it should be there. It is. From Monday onwards, you will take these up or not? For that, I can say I am proud of Madhuri because Madhuri deliver a one lecture, the full confidence, the full flow
yeah,
is there, it's already there. You don't need to do anything there. I want same. I'm expecting same thing from you guys, Sharda and Ajay. Ajay is not there, but I want same thing from you guys.
yes,
So, so we already have this roadmap. command, with this command here, test one, this command, test. Okay, if could I ask one question, guys, if you don't mind?
Yes, it's
Means what is the change between you guys after joining this course or after joining RT? Is there any difference or there is no difference?
why I was preparing the interview now, and for the questions with respect to this core and everything, Visual Studio Core and FP.NET Core, I was preparing with the theoretical part. If it any cross questioning occurs, or if they goes deeper with the practically anything, so that was not at that time I was not able to handle those questions. With these practice now, I'm that much confident that whatever the questions they are asking me, if it is going deeper, then I will tackle easily. Because with the help of the documents, now I was preparing for the theoretical part only. I was not in that much of enhanced practical and all. But since we are trying, I have connected with you and this lectures, so I'm a bit confident with the practicals also.
What about you, Madhuri?
Yes, sir. The confidence is all matters, sir. We get the confidence for the practical because before the only theoretical part we gone through, and now at least we can aware of everything.
Okay, now you have idea. And day one we discussed something, and are we means on a track on that track, or we are not on that track?
Yes.
What also?
What is our objective of this training? To become.
Engineer.
So are you on that track or not, guys? Because
Yes,
that's
we are.
important. Proof
Yes.
to prove that I will help. You can say, Sharda. Hey, no worries. Whatever is there, we can handle that.
Yes, yes, I had experience since last few days.
Because things are same.
It's because I was not that much confident while taking that assignment. But after getting guidance from you, then I was like bit I reduced you reduced my kind of a stress for that, and to let's go ahead with that project. I got that attitude with your guidance.
Okay. And what about you, Madhuri? Are you on the same track, or you are not on that track?
Yes, I'm on that track only.
Okay.
Because if
Great.
you didn't guide me for that, then definitely I have dropped that plan. I might have dropped that. That I don't have experience, and let's drop it, and I'm taking back out. But with your guidance, I at least I uh, try to deliver something. Otherwise, that was not. In my case, that was not gonna happen.
Okay. But I think so. I just communicate to you and do the things. But I want you will learn that. This is a chance for you to learn this new technology stack.
Yes, right.
So you have a working project with you.
Yes.
And means able to retrieve project metadata and show it as style project. I just article style project. Maybe need to go outside on this command. No, I don't know what it is. It's And what about, could I ask one more question, guys, if you don't mind?
Yes, yes.
So to not update database, this command, check this. Okay, so what do you think? What I am saying to you, you guys are my team and we are teammates. Are you agree with that or not?
Yes, 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 definitely, 100%. As you said, you proved it as rather you stuck on that line that yes, we are a team and you are our mentor and you are helping in any with every aspect.
What about you, Madhuri?
Yes, sir.
April
We are a team.
Because I would like to share one more thing. I might take a time, but as I was working for 6 years now, I had uh, interacted with many of the people while working, but and there were some people also like yes, we are team and I'll be there for your guidance and everything. But just saying it is the different thing, and doing with that and going with that line and supporting that is the different thing. Because TL was there or manager was there, just array we are team. That was just the kind of what we can say impression or just to impress. Saying those lines is different thing. With you, I personally experienced that you prove that, and it is very rare thing to being stuck with the whatever you have said and to guide each and everyone.
Okay, thanks for your this words. But I want means this legacy should be there, and there is a, you can say, saying, and saying is that one thing, doing is another thing. If it's a consistent, then it's magic. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, now we have done this, but we have some problem there. So let's do one thing. Let's check this problem. And guys, I am means teaching you something new for your learning purpose, so that you can tackle that as well. These issues, what kind of issues
Yes, yes.
we are facing right now? We are facing this.
Get that issue whenever I use that migration. This issue is for when we write the path. Now we need to check that we have the project on the on that path only, like C users, Lenovo.
By opening on in the Explorer, by checking that.
Because I missed the one part for that, and that only I get that issue.
Let's check that.
Hmm.
If there's a issue for this, we will now do. Um,
I think we should try to open it from solution only.
okay, if it's a case, then we can do that as well, because this is a solution.
Yes, it is there.
Okay. And then let's open this. Now we need to run this here, that command.
For that migration, we need to use that path.
So, okay, if that's the case, then we need to run this command there. Let's run this command there. We done this is work, but this is not working. Check this. Same error.
Yes, I got that
That's
for
why
the same.
if you check this, here. So underscores are projected there. I need to go there. It's a solution, and under the solution we have SRC.
Hmm.
So there's a command for solution list. So that what is the command there? With the help of that, we can check that how many projects under this project solution, file and options. This package okay, so this is
We need to get that project name also there, na, after razor views. In that path after razor view, we need to get that
okay, makes sense. So let's try that. Let's try that. CD, yes, it's under this file one more that is a project. We try now that thing EF migration. Check that command. I think so now it's working, but still metadata style project
metadata.
style project. And this and this other. Any idea, guys? No?
The version issue there. To select the different version, it is another like that.
This is a version issue. It's a 9 and SQL Server is 10. Let's make it same. First solution explorer. SQL Server tool is 10, but these are the 9.
We can update that to 10 from Nugget Manager.
Next.
First one and second one.
Update. Live. Set.
Second.
Live. Set. Now we have done this. Now the data. So, okay. Now a similar
Yes.
an issue with can click here.
Hmm.
Let me do one example. Where is this? Go to error. Now we need to run that. Oh, good. We'll see the errors.
You
This
need to run the project first.
This is different thing.
Mhm.
Whatever earlier problem we are facing, that's resolved.
That was resolved.
Yes, thank you, Madhuri and Sharda.
Thanks, Madhuri.
May,
I got that error. That's why.
so migration point of we have good migration data. Okay, I just need to run this as well before that. This is done migration folder. It's created a migration folder. Build a job there. Let's check that first. Let's start the errors. And that's okay. These are the earlier code. That's why so not work at all. But then this.
That test was.
Just for that, to go there and update that. And this view, you need to go and on controller. It is not. Non-controller is fine. I can save all. So it's done. Else, let's show you this. I will still Java back. You can go Now the outline card. Okay, so we have a card as well in our use. This is a change of complaint model. That's why it's not entertaining this. But, okay. God. Save. So there is no issues. Am I right?
Yes.
When there is no issues, then we are good with this code. And if you want to check this, then create a database SQL server. Okay, and now we need to run this update one and create all contains instructions. Update we run already. Skip that. Okay, let's run this first again. Guys, any question or concern regarding today's class?
No.
Build failed. Still build failed. But not restore. So that failed. So error. Can I run into the not succeed? I will try to build on that. Okay, this is due to this for debugging is going well. That's extent. Yes. Stop. Will succeed. Okay.
Yes, I know.
This action means migration folder successfully created. Okay. Now we need to run another command update one. Okay. Um, Guys, one question. Could I ask?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
So, question is that means is these videos are useful for you or not? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
using those videos or not? Those is for you only. If you are not using them, there is no need to upload on a YouTube and other places. If you are not using those.
So they are useful.
Yes, sir, correct.
Not this. Third. So see, we are good with this, guys. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So let's start.